Hello again. So I have some new packages. Let's start with this one. So this is another 1/6 outfit that I bought. Let's just make sure everything that I have ordered is inside. So, oh, it comes with little gloves. Oh, that's so cute. Some socks, earmuffs. Ooh, these are really tight. Scared to break it. A sweater, very cute. And a skirt. Let's continue on with the next package. I don't want to accidentally cut anything inside because I did that before. So we're just gonna cut this. Some more 1/6 clothes. So we have a hoodie and some shorts. Oh, and they have like nice little pockets. That's so cute. They probably look a lot better on a doll. I'll get a doll like this size just later. I have to scrounge up enough to get one. And it comes with little stickies for some reason. I don't know why. But this is really cute. And a little clasp so that you can thing with the doll head. And it has like hair place where you can put the hair out the back. And I'm not sure if you noticed, but I really like Kuromi. So this is my Kuromi outfit. As you can see, there's little pink Kuromi on here. Ooh, there's a lot of stringy stuff coming off of this dress. But this is a very nice poofy dress. I'm probably gonna save it for Eva. It's longer in the back than it is the front. So it comes out like that. That's so cute. I love that. And it has some sleeves. Like puff sleeves. And it also has a Kuromi headpiece. I am gonna check the bags because they do give out like small gifts. Alright, these are my UGG shoes for 1/6 size doll. This is like 5 centimeters, but they say give like 1 centimeter space for your dolls. So this should be able to fit. This is going to be for Eva again. I don't know how I'm putting this back into the bag. Just throw it in. Throw it in. And it won't go in the same way. Of course it doesn't. Of course. Please go in. Ooh, the zipper is it's not zippering. I managed to get it open and I zip it up. Next outfit, I'm gonna go with the brown one first. Oh, this is really soft. And I spent like, what, $4 for this outfit? So I'm kind of glad. This nice stretchy material with the hat, some socks, which are inside the hat. So if you get this outfit, just be sure to look for that. And a skirt, which is a little messed up from shipping, but it's okay. I can always refold it. But this is adorable. And then the main event, a very, very soft jacket. Like, this is so soft. This is going to be for one of my other characters. I don't know which one yet, but I'll figure it out. And I also have this one. I'm gonna save this one for last because I really like the color purple. So yeah. So this is a cap. This looks a bit big for the head, but we'll see when I get the doll. These are some leg warmers, just making sure you can see, and a shirt, an undershirt. Okay, this is cute. I like the patterns on it. And it has like a nice collar thing going on. So this would go over the shirt. Is this the back or the front? Nope, it's the back. Alright, we're fine. It comes with a nice fabric skirt. It's not the softest material in the world, but it's nice. And then we have this, which I've been saving because it's purple. So we have a blue one, ooh, a purple sock, another purple sock, a shirt, a hat, which would have had the purple socks in them, but they were not in there, and a really soft, furry jacket. So you can comment down below which one you like out of the outfits. This one has a white skirt, while this one has like a brown red thing going on. I really like this one though, and this one. The brown one is nice. That's why I got it. Last but not least is this ginormous package. So how do I want to open this? I guess like this. Yeah. Uh-oh. Hold on. And here we are. Alright, so I'm gonna open this one first because it has my address wrapped all the way around it. So just gonna very lightly. Nope, that didn't even do anything. Alright, what are we doing? Ugh. Okay. Okay. So, yeah. that happened. Oh my goodness. Do you guys remember when I bought these a necklace with one of these things on them? I got so many of them because I wanted them to be perfect. Look at how perfect these look. Except for like some of the numbers are kind of wonky, but they're much, 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 much better than the one that I received. Oh, and they're front and back. I did not know that. So I get even more option for the thing. This one has like a missing 3. This one has a missing 9. I'll find the perfect one. It's supposed to be for Sika. Because if you look at her outfit, she has like this necklace with one of these things on it. Super cute. Alright. Next thing's next. Oh my gosh. These are from my friend. They love interesting earrings. Let me just check to make sure that they honk. Oh, that's perfection. She's going to love this. Yep, and this is her Christmas present, so I'm gonna save these, hide these away until it's time for her to give it. So these are gonna go away for now. I could also buy another one and use it for the dolls, but nah. Let's open this one first. Come on, buddy. Come on. All right, let's see what's inside. All this room in this box for just something so tiny. These are some loafers. I have big loafers, but they have bears on them. Oh, these actually kind of feel nice. You can clearly tell that they like sewn the heel on. Well, not sewn it, but like glued the heel on, but that's totally fine. Like, no one's going to be paying attention to that. They're going to pay attention to the front. Maybe I can add a bead on the front with hot glue. I don't want to ruin the shoes, though. Alright, last but not least. Big finale, big finale. And there is my 1/3 size wig. I bought it for if I ever got a 1/3 size doll. And you never know, maybe I might have it in the future. This was like $10, so we'll see. Okay. It's not curly at the ends, which is a little disheartening, but it should fit the doll that I would like to buy. Quiero about $21. 1.5. Yeah, and it's stretchy, so I should be able to stretch over her head. Shh. So, let's pretend we didn't hear that, okay? Don't worry, this is the first time this ever happened. So, yeah. There should be some more stuff coming, but this is it for now. Let me just put this away. So, I was expecting this to be a little bit more silvery, but that's fine, that's fine. At least it's white. Thanks for watching the video, and see you later or next time.